Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make full screen TikTok video. To get started, let's open CapCut app to edit your video. Now click on new project. Next, click on a video that you want to upload on your TikTok. Now let's click on aspect ratio. Next, click on 16:9 ratio. Now extract video. You can either directly save your video to a TikTok account or you can save your video on device and then upload on TikTok. As I have logged in my TikTok account on CapCut, let me click on TikTok account. And if you also want to log in your TikTok account on CapCut, then you can watch my previous video where I have been guiding you on how to log in your TikTok account on CapCut. Now click on next. Let me make my privacy only me and post it. Now as you can see, we got an option full screen. So click on it. And in this way you can make your video full screen. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.